How it be? So today I want talk about skin finder. A lot of people they use skin finder, but I get a way why they take use them. If you watch this picture, I just do basic adjustment. I go open the picture for Photoshop, then I go duplicate with Command J or Control J, any one way they use. As I duplicate, they see everything that they do. Just click on the skin finder action. The action what I already create since because I don't install skin finder for my laptop. So just one click, I go put the action for the video description. So when you install your skin finder, and just like this, it will take you some. See one click, you see how nice the skin don't look. They see before, they see after. Then I also get another plugin what they use, where they give me dodge and burn, automatic dodge and burn. So as I click them now, you can see how the skin go just get the defined dodge and burn, and see how now the thing really load like this. So just give a small time. So it is here before, after. So these two things, if you make your work very fast and easy, add sharpening. Now which now they mostly use edit events and weddings, so that you go dey faster to get your job done. But no be like say you go use them for all your work. Learn your normal editing so that when jobs choke you, we no get time to do the long process. You go just use this one so that you go fit deliver jobs and you go still be efficient, get more time to practice more things. Moko jump into the one I do for wedding. Just stay tuned. So if they see this one now like this, I just do my colors for all the pictures. They see before and after. I just do very minimal color because I don't get how I like my listing today. Then within I do after I do this whole color, you go make sure say you add structure when you edit, so that the structure go add more details to your picture, not just add color because you won't use this thing. Then that structure now go retain a lot of details. After much, I just export as JPEG. After I export as JPEG, I open Photoshop, give it some time. Photoshop open. I just want to show on how the whole process dey. I don't already get the action before, but we'll just go back. I go open this thing, select one picture so that you will see illustration on how this thing be. Now this picture now select, drop on for your Photoshop. So I dey go load my action now. So now I want record new skin finder action. Just see how the whole process they go. Watch closely. I always duplicate. If you drag go down or you do Control Command J, then go your filter menu, you will see photo toolbox, open skin finder, allow the plugin to load. I dey take everything gradually so that when I go see how I take to am. Automatically you go soften your skin. I no dey add any other thing. I dey allow the software to do in thing. I no dey touch anything, and I click on set. I already get this action saved. If you check the video description, you go see the action. If you add them to your own, I no go post any this thing, how to install any software, so they no take down any of my video. But mind you, you need to still be careful when it is this thing. You go cross check your portrait, so that if you get any adjustment to make, because this is an AI and it will give you the precise work. If you get any adjustment to make, you go make your adjustment. The dodge and burn own no dey this tutorial. This tutorial are just for skin finder. Another tutorial I go talk about the dodge and burn. So they see say they darken all the dark places and they add light, though you know they precise because of how this particular image a lot of light they on the background. So now those things then the AI they try pick to do whatever it's supposed to do. You see, and a retouch for me, but no be wetin we dey do today. This retouch for me na a plugin wey dey separate, just be like beauty retouch academy, but this one now e dey do like e dey give you a lot of work automatically, like dodge and burn, balancing of skin tone, removing of blemishes, all those minor things. This particular plugin dey get am done, and since I install the plugin, I just dey test run am small. Na wetin make me never do video. I need to know wetin I dey use. Dey see how this thing dey see am. So if you just go put am for this thing, soft light. So that gray this thing, I dey show you wetin the AI dey do on the image. Now you come put am for soft light, you don see am say this thing don balance. So now this pattern dem now dey use, dey get jobs done wey go be like say I dey fast to edit events. Now these things now make sure na the batch processing. You go do batch processing, select folder, you see things wey I dey do, just dey follow them like that. Increase your this thing to like 8 so that you will get enough details. Go find your export folder from this place. When you open your export folder, it go show empty. Just nothing go show because in the folder you dey process. So when you open am, you just click OK. Go down, select the action you want run, which is skin 101. Yeah, I name am after one beauty spa. I mean a spa. Yes, I name am after one spa for me, Tama. Skin 101. Because they fine tune skin. So as you just click on run, just give am time. If he just dey watch movie, if you go eat, if you dey play game, if your system, if you get multiple display, this thing if you dey run on one display, then it is the other display dey watch your movie. Relax, allow the thing to work. So now I just want compare side by side, may see the before and may see the after. Yes, most times it will still need do minimal adjustment, but this go save your time. It will save your time. So now I see the before and after. See the one where you use skin finder, the one where use skin finder. If I not tell you na skin finder I use do this work, you no go believe na skin finder I use do the work. So zoom in, make you see the difference. You see how refined this other one dey. You still see the next picture. Mona don't forget to subscribe, Mona don't forget to like this video, Mona don't forget to tell people about my YouTube channel as you don't till this point of the video. Thank you.